G'day! In today's video I'm going to open up a Acer TravelMate B3 Spin 11 with the model number N23C1. And this particular one is not starting whatsoever, so I want to open it up, disconnect the battery and see what it will do from there. So let's see. I'm just using a standard Phillips head screwdriver. I'll let you know if any of these screws are different. Excuse my dog there. Hey, come here. There we go. Now we calm down. Old Labrador. Old and getting senile. Okay. That one. Sorry about that, I ended up removing the rest of the screws off camera and I've since disconnected the battery, and sadly for me it made zero difference on this machine, so we are looking a bit dead. But the only thing I can see that we could change is the Wi-Fi card, which is an Intel AX211NGW. So sadly there's really not much more that can be done on this one. It's all fully integrated, so by the looks of it, once upon a time, an optional model, or a different model of this, did have an NVMe slot. I don't know, I wouldn't personally attempt to try and add one on there. It would be nice to have one on there to have extra storage, but then they would chew into your battery. And the battery itself is an AP20CBL. Charging jack is replaceable, so it's not soldered directly onto the board, so you can unplug it, undo the hinge, open it up, take it out, put a brand new one in. Hopefully that may fix your problem if it's a non-charging issue. What I want to do right now is plug some power into here of a known good charger. And use a multimeter on here. And I just want to see is any power getting into here in case it is a damaged charger. 19 volts. 19 volts. I'll try down here. .2, 3.2, 0. Yeah, sadly, a whole lot of nothing from what looks to be a laptop in good condition. The Type-C side of it also doesn't charge. So we do have the fallback of using Type-C on this particular laptop. I'll try it now. Are we getting any higher on the battery? 3.2, 3.2, 0, 3.2, nothing. 12. Yes, it's like it's trying to charge, but we're going nowhere at all. The other thing that I can't really see on here, which I'm assuming is on the other side of the laptop, is the keyboard connector. I'm going to assume it's partially folded under here somewhere. The trackpad over here. I'm assuming that's a trackpad. Not seeing the keyboard. Fold it over. The power button. Ooh. That was teasing me. Power. We're now blue. Yet No life. No, no good. So sorry to say, not much luck with this Acer Spin. That will do for now, and I'll see you later. Bye.